Hi, welcome back. Another important day for you. Question of the day, 22nd. Choose options key functionality decision to choose billing relevance in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. This is one of the simple question. If you have proper basic knowledge, if you know the answer, you can able to comment below. So first option, sales order item category. Second, delivery document type. Third, schedule and category. And fourth, delivery document. And E, billing type, and F, sales document type, G, none of the above. So in this, one or two options might be correct, or else all options might be wrong. And you choose, try to answer this. I'm just waiting for your comments. Okay. So this series specifically useful for your certification examination and internal examination of any MNC you joined, or either before of your interview or after of your interview, or else while working, you will have internal tests will be there. These kind of knowledge test will be there. If you go for Accenture, IBM, Deloitte, TCS, Infosys, anywhere, you'll get this kind of mock tests. Be ready for the game. Okay, so currently I'm holding 5,500 students and my SD course 108 hours. This is one of my top course. I put all my hard work in this. If you really want it, if you have that patience to learn, you can choose this course. If you already tried, there are a couple of courses, getting master to write functional specification, and there is a course on idocs training with 5 scenarios with full practicals and a lot many courses, around 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really want it, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. So choose things wisely. Be happy in your life. Thank you. Have a great day.